Hey y'all, welcome back to Looks by Naheemah, and I am Naheemah, and as you can see by the title of the video, your girl is turning 19, the big 1-9. With every birthday and all that kind of stuff, there's so many plans, there's parties and everything, so I kind of wanted to just bring you guys along with me while I'm getting ready, and you guys can see how I accomplished this look. But even this look is not done. We still have, you know, my makeup, my outfit. I will possibly vlog even for you guys towards the end of the video, so if you guys want to see that, stay tuned. We're gonna be answering a lot of questions, and you guys are just gonna get to know me a little bit better, like have fun with me, celebrate my birthday with me. If that sounds like something you're interested in, please keep on watching. Before you do, of course, you know, it's my birthday, I gotta subscribe. You know, if you're watching my videos and you aren't already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that. Subscribing is free, and it's kind of like your little birthday gift to me, you know. The goal is to get to 1K subscribers and steadily approaching that, so let's hurry that process up and let's get into the get ready with me. So you guys can see the vibe that I'm going for. You see really sparkly gold jewelry. I have like a lot of jewelry. I'm gonna be wearing my fur jacket and just a really simple mauvey pink bodycon dress, but you guys will really see it come alive with all this jewelry, so just keep that in mind while I'm doing my makeup look. This is like my inspiration. So I was so nervous for some reason to turn 19. A lot of people who know me personally know that I have literally always known the career path that I wanted to go down. I always knew how I wanted to get there and all that kind of stuff. Like, I was always a really driven person, so I always, you know, pictured my life, how I was gonna accomplish the things that I wanted to get done throughout my whole entire life. And obviously I'm still on track. You know, I'm in fashion school, making moves, and we're gonna talk about more of fashion school later on. It's kind of like where my headspace was at my entire life, but all thinking very ahead of the game. I had like a really almost juvenile perspective when it came to life and how everything was going to be. And surprisingly enough, it actually has turned out to be a lot of the ways that I thought it was going to be. But life is unpredictable, and you're pitted with a lot of things that you never thought you were gonna ever have to experience or go through. And I've definitely went through a lot of those things. But like, kind of my point is, realistically, I never truly envisioned how my life was really going to be past the age of 18. At 18, I knew I was going to have graduated high school. I was gonna have started fashion school, you know, really got my life on track. Everything was gonna be butterflies and rainbows, and everything was gonna be perfect. And that's how I always, you know, pictured getting to in my life. And then after I turned 18, then I was gonna truly figure everything else out. So I think that's kind of a little bit why I was so nervous to turn 19, because going away from turning 18 is almost like the real true step into adulthood. At 18, you're like an adult now, but like, real talk, are you really an adult? When I turned 18, it was really interesting because I was, you know, officially really adult, but truly you're not really treated as an adult in society. There's a lot of questions that you have in life that you truly don't have the answers on, and you are still really dependent on your parents. So you really aren't an adult at 18, and a year later you're really not that much of an adult either at 19. So I'm like, what age do you truly even become an adult? You know, these are just a lot of the things that I think about a lot, and I know this is kind of like different content for my channel, but I just want you guys to get to know me a little bit more personally. I'm a very inward thinker, and a lot of these questions are things that I constantly think about on a daily basis. So I kind of just want us to, like, you know, get on the same page, and I think this is the perfect time to talk about these topics. Every year that you get older, you're gaining more knowledge. There's more opportunity for you to change something you didn't like about your last year, and then also with age comes more access, which is really what I think that's what you get when you turn 18, when you turn 19 and all that kind of stuff. When you turn 21, 25, you get more access. But I don't think you're really ever truly an adult until you reach a certain level of maturity and experience. And I think that's really what makes you an adult, because some people out here can be 30 years old acting so childish. Please let me know what you think about that down below. I haven't fully like formed my opinion, but I definitely constantly like question things. Like I'm a really critical thinker. And oh my god, another thing I really wanted to talk about, you guys, my birthday is July 20th, so I am a Cancer. And you know, even though it's at the latter end of the month, Cancer season is still in full drive. And I would love to know, are any of my viewers so Cancers? You know, comment down below, Cancer gang, where you at? And I would love to know if any of you guys are my birthday twins. That was always something I was so curious about when I was younger, because when I was growing up, I never had a birthday twin. But when I came to college, 2 people, one really recently, that are my birthday twins. But even if you aren't a Cancer, comment down below your star sign. I would love to know that. Astrology is something that has really been something I've gotten super into the past year. I'm definitely not a pro at all. Like, I know a good amount about Cancers, and I know a good amount about their water signs, and some of my friends, because like they've asked me questions about those, so I've looked those up. Me and my friends have had some really interesting conversations about astrology, and some people have had the most interesting opinions about it. So I would love to know if you guys believe in it. And just so you guys know, it's so much more than a horoscope. I thought for the longest it was just a horoscope, and I was like, those things are so generic and they're almost always never actually accurate. I encourage you guys to, you know, do some research on your sign and just see, like, do you match up with your sign? Because I very much so find myself aligning with, like, you know, my Cancerness. Like, I'm very much so like a Cancer. Like, let's have a discussion down below in the comment section, because that is something that's super interesting and curious to me. You guys already know that I am in fashion school. I am majoring in fashion design. Started my sophomore year in school just about a week ago, and I know a lot of you guys are like, you just started a year of school. Yeah, because my school is like the quarter system, but we actually never are truly closed except in between quarters. So we have a spring quarter, a summer quarter, a fall quarter, a winter quarter. So right now the summer quarter just started, so that's where I am currently at right now. And you guys, I'm so excited for the classes that I'm taking. I really feel like I'm learning a lot here, and I feel like classes that I'm taking specifically this quarter are really starting to design and really starting to create. And the things that I'm learning how to do with clothes is like mind-blowing. And that's another part of my life that I really want to start sharing with you guys, because I have gotten some questions about fashion school. I've also gotten questions about like fashion design and sewing and drawing, all that kind of stuff. So I would love to kind of show you guys that part of my life, because it's such a huge part of my life. Clothing just means a lot to me, and it's so much more than, you know, clothes. It's so much more than style. It's so much more than fashion. It's just a whole way of life for me, and I would love to just share on a deeper level with you guys. And for anybody out there who wants to be a fashion designer, who's curious about that, I definitely want to start making content related to that. So, you know, just look out for that, because that is definitely coming. Some sewing videos, some drawing videos, I don't know, whatever you guys want to see, please tell me down below. And so sorry if you can hear some voices in the background. I got some friends over there. And I also just want to say thank you guys so much for 800 subscribers. We just hit that maybe like a week ago, and we are continuing to grow super fast. Okay, I think I'm gonna go into this like peachy kind of color. I'm not 100% sure if this is gonna look the way I want it to, but hopefully it does. No, but yeah, so thank you guys so much for 800 subscribers. Like, every time I see the subscriber count grow, I know that, you know, like, our little corner of YouTube over here is expanding, and I would just love to, you know, get these videos out to just more and more people. So if you guys know anybody who'd be interested in my channel, go ahead and share my videos with them. Spread the fashion knowledge. Help Looks by Naheemah grow. Help me expand. Like, every subscriber really does count, and it really does truly mean a lot to me. I have so many cool ideas for my channel once I reach 1K. So, you know, if we hurry up and get there, I can come out with those videos. And I have a really cool idea for my 1K subscribers video. So if you guys want to see that, let's do it. Another thing I would absolutely love to know, you know, in the spirit of me turning 19, how old are you guys? I would absolutely love to know. Please leave your age down below. And if you're not comfortable sharing your age, I would love a range. You know, I'm just curious. Like, I'm the kind of person who loves analytics. I love just numbers, and it's really fascinating to me the kinds of videos and such that people watch. and who subscribes to her channel, so I would just love to know that information from my channel. Mascara instantly made this eye look like 1,000 times better. But I haven't done this in a while, but I love to put like the Stila glitter and glows on my inner corner just for like a really inner corner pop. We're in the middle of a hot girl summer, and we're just all about positive vibes, letting go of all the negative people in our lives, anybody who's like bringing you down. Those people, take them out of your life, because you do not need negativity in your lives, you guys, please. Like, that stuff is so toxic. You know, a girl turns 19 and she thinks she knows everything. I know, that's probably what you guys are thinking, but these are things that I think about all the time. So I'm just kind of just letting you guys into my thought process. But you know, in the spirit of positivity, I kind of just wanted to share some things that I am loving with you. Share some music, some Netflix shows, because I love music, I love film and TV. So right now, an artist that I am absolutely in love with, and if you know me personally, you've probably been annoyed by me playing this person over and over again, I think, and it is Tierrawhack. Do you guys know who Tierrawhack is? And if you don't, I'm gonna leave a link down below to her Whack World visual album, because that thing will change your life. That's good music right now. That's some good new music that you guys need to be put on too. Tierrawhack is that girl. If you aren't already a part of the wave, you need to get on it, because you're gonna miss it. You're gonna miss the boat. Like, get on to Tierrawhack. She is truly one of the very few people out here making good music, good different music. I've also really been liking Lizzo. She is such a vibe. Her song is like everything right now. On to shows, like, what shows you guys binge watching? I just watched the whole first season of Pose on Netflix in literally a day. Like, I could not sleep without finishing that show. It was just that good. And I regret not watching it sooner. Like, so many people have recommended it to me and I never watched it, and I finally did, and yeah, I'm happy now. Like, that show is so good. Highlighter, I'm trying to think. Mascara is on, glitter is on. Okay, I think we're ready for setting spray, and I just have to do my lip, and then I'll be good for makeup. And you know, if you have dark skin, you do your lipstick in like 3-4 different layers. Okay, you guys, so this is the completed makeup look for the night. How do you guys like it? You know, I'm really liking it. It's cute. I'm gonna show you guys my completed outfit, all the accessories and all that jazz. You guys are gonna see the whole fit and everything. So let's get on to that. Okay, so basically this is my outfit that I have on today. Ignore the background. Like I said, room is still a work in progress. But I have this birthday girl headband on, and I'm wearing this bodycon pink dress with these golden sandals, and you know, kind of like the centerpiece is definitely this chain belt that I have going on. I think it looks really good, and I just have really simple necklaces to complement the look, as well as a bracelet on. This is the jacket and the clutch that I have with this look. So I'm wearing my white cream fur jacket, as well as my golden snakeskin clutch bag. Like, I'm doing very much so gold accessories. I really like this outfit. If I can, I'm gonna insert some pictures of how this outfit looks in like good lighting, you know, out and about and such. If you guys want to see birthday went and all that stuff, be sure that you are following me on Instagram, because Instagram stories as well as, you know, regular Instagram posts are being updated with everything that I did for my birthday, as well as pictures and everything. And that's going to be it for the Get Ready With Me. You're gonna have a really fun time. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me for my 19th birthday Get Ready With Me. I hope you like how the look turned out and everything, and be sure you are subscribed to my channel. Like I said, you know, give me a subscribe. It's my birthday. That can be your gift to me. Also, be sure to like this video and leave a comment down below. We talked about a lot in this video. I'd love to know your opinion. See you guys next time. Bye.
Yeah.